Hello, I'm back. Today I have a full bag of Makeup by Mario products. His makeup has always caught my attention. There's something about this clean aesthetic that catches my eye. Like Glossier, Say Beauty, Ilia, Milk makeup. His makeup gives me a similar vibe, but more full coverage, more event type makeup rather than everyday natural glam. One product in particular I'm really excited about is his foundation because it has glitter particles in it. Everything in total was $275. I mean, I was expecting pricier from him, but I'm pleasantly surprised. This is going to be a 100% honest review of everything. I'm going to start with this Flawless Forget the Filler Skin Plumping Line Smoothing Perfecting Cream, which is primer. I didn't see any primers from Makeup by Mario. I usually like using my fingers for applying makeup. I just feel like it makes everything melt into the skin, but I'm going to give his makeup brush a try. I can just hear everything in the hallways. It's really feels wrong. It's just someone screaming out there at their partner. I'm starting off with the 9W foundation and I'm going to use the foundation brush. Now I'm curious if I'm going to be able to see the glitters on my skin or if it's just going to give it a luminous look. His packaging reminds me a lot of Kim's packaging, just in the way that it's very sleek and minimalist. Okay, I love how it's glass. I really like the packaging so far. Everything feels pretty luxurious, honestly. I didn't realize it has two sides. This side looks really good for the foundation and this side looks really good for contour and blush. Let's do 1, 2 pumps. Looks like a good color match. Okay, get my mirror so I can see closer. Looks absolutely flawless on camera. The foundation is having a bit of a weird reaction on my skin. The camera isn't really picking it up very well, but if you can see a little bit on my nose and right here, it's just kind of streaky. Like I can't get it to like really sit on my nose without it rubbing off and seeing the redness under it. Do you see that? I noticed that the brush is picking up a lot of product and maybe you're supposed to put less product on to make it less streaky, but yeah, this is so streaky and heavy. What am I doing wrong? I hate that. All right, let's just go in with concealer. I got shade 40. Not like I really need concealer because I have a mask on my face. I like the feeling of this concealer. It's very creamy. Let's blend this in, see if it's any better than the foundation. I do really like these colors together and I do really like the luminosity it's giving, but I'm still having that issue with streakiness. I just wish that wasn't happening, but it is. It looks pretty, especially on camera, but it's just so thick and streaky. That's that on that. All right. This is just sad. Medium dark contour. These I'm excited for. Their contour sticks just look so good on the videos I've seen of it. But I do know that some people have an issue with packaging, so I wonder if they've fixed that problem. Love the packaging. It feels good, it feels heavy. As a brush, that's so cool. I love that. Okay, but how do I take it out of the, what the frick? I have to like hold on to this black part. Okay, I'm not having an issue with raising it. There's like bristles from the brush getting into my nose holes. I don't like that. That's a real pet peeve of mine when brushes do that because I hate that feeling so much. Okay. Ooh, so creamy. I have a feeling this is gonna blend out really seamlessly. Let's use the other side of the brush. See, you can see the little hairs coming out. No good. This shade is gorgeous. This is really giving bridal makeup because it's so full coverage, but it just has that look to it. I I kind of like it. I think I'm just not used to wearing really heavy makeup. I like that natural feel to it where it feels like there's nothing on my skin. And this just is not the same vibe. But there's something about these colors and the sheen it gives that just feels so bridal. She's pretty. Okay. I like her. I am excited for this blush because the shade kind of reminds me of that Viral Dior color where it's like a hint of purple, like a light pink-ish purple. This is their cream blush in the shade Pink Peony. It's so pretty. I wonder if this is normal and if it usually looks like this, but you can't really see it on camera, but it has a bunch of these little black holes in it. And I don't know, like it's separated or something. Okay, let's see how this looks. Gorgeous. I mean, this is just so Barbie. And also a hint of Victoria's Secret Angel. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. Beautiful. Absolutely stunning. It's just so creamy. Love. Never had a face of makeup like this. And I've seen so many girls with this full coverage Barbie type makeup, and I'm always kind of jealous. I'm like, what products are they using? I feel that right now. I feel like that full coverage Barbie queen right now, and I love it. I'm gonna set my face with the Essence matte setting powder because I'm just looking a little too dewy right now. Soft Glow powder highlighter. This is just gonna really bring it together, I know. It feels good. It feels cold and heavy. Oh, I love this. Oh, so good. Okay, I'm gonna do this with my finger. Oh my god. Whoa. Put it in the inner corners, right in here, in the crevice. It's not looking as good on the face. It's just not giving that on my eyes. Weird. Maybe it's because I'm using a powder over top of a cream. Yeah, it's not really working at all. Like, it looks really crusty. No, that doesn't work. It's so disappointing. I feel like it should work though. Like, can you not use powders on top of creams? Is that like a total no-no? Because this just does not work. Yeah. Disappointed. I'm disappointed a lot in this video. Lips. Let's move on to lips. I got the Johnny lip liner. Feels nice. It feels luxury. It has like a little brush. I never see that on lip liners. Very nice. Super creamy, just glides on. Yeah. Oh, absolutely, positively gorgeous. I look so good. This is awesome. This is amazing. This is beautiful. Now, lastly, this looks so pretty in the store. The Moisture Glow Plumping Lip Color in Hot Pink. I feel like this is gonna look so good over top this, but even this looks good on its own. Let's put it on. Oh, yeah, she is glossy. Tastes a little funky, a little chemical-y. I love this lip combo. Yeah, I'm so conflicted because I feel beautiful in the camera, but when I look at myself in the mirror, it looks good, but it looks like I have a mask of makeup on. And I hate that. If you're doing a photo shoot and you want to look like a poreless, perfect Barbie doll, then get this makeup. If you want an everyday kind of look, no. I mean, I do think that the contour and the blush and the lips would look really good on your everyday makeup routine and it probably won't look cakey, but I think the foundation and concealer, it's just not for an everyday look. I am going to give everything from Makeup by Mario a 6. No, I'm gonna give it a 6 out of 10 because the foundation and concealer, which is the base of everything, just kind of made it look crusty. And the whole point of wearing makeup is you're not supposed to be like, hey, she's wearing makeup. It's supposed to be less obvious. So that's why I'm giving it so low of a rating. But these lips, the blush, the contour, those were the highlight products. I don't like this. I feel a little disappointed. These lips though, I love it. Let me know if there's any other brands you want me to try. Thank you for watching.